This is code.org. Now, the last part of this project is focused on, well, is to incorporate any of the revision you got through your review, right? Any feedback that you got, and to update or finish writing anything that is left off. Now, currently this app is fully functioning, and we have met extensive evidence requirements. Design a superclass with multiple instant variables, overloaded constructor, access methods, mutator methods, and a toString method. And just for proof, once again, we have a furniture class here. This is a default constructor or an empty constructor. This constructor is overloaded because it can be used if you pass two parameters or two arguments to it as parameters. Access or methods, that's just get, that return a value. Mutator methods, that's set methods that allow mutating or changing of a value. A toString method, not only did I do that here, but I did it in my subclass as well. Design multiple subclasses that share attributes and behaviors of the superclass, and use super to call the superclass constructor. They both do, couch, super, dresser, super. Use the this keyword to refer to the current object in the constructor or its method. I did so here. And this is referring to the couch here. Uses the scanner class to allow a user to interact with objects in the program. It's done here and throughout. Uses a sentinel value to continue receiving input until the user indicates that they are finished. Our sentinel value, or mine, the variable I use to store it, is choice. So, cool. Make sure to update your code, clean and polish, and pat yourself on the back. This is, again, a lot of code. Pretty cool. Onward.